on today, people? You already know what it is. It's your boy Tunchi, and this is YBE TV. Today, I got an expedited question. Yes, make sure you go to the website and pick up all your expedited questions. These questions will be shot within 48 hours of you making the purchase. They $9.99 a piece. If you got a question and it's just urgent and you need somebody to answer immediately, hit me up at www.ybetv.org/shop and go down to expedited question. And make sure you pick the free shipping for it, because it normally charges shipping. You know, I don't know. That's the way the site's set up. Sorry. But that's what it is. Make sure you hit me up. This one is from Venetia Lee, and it says, I have a few business ideas, but I'm in the process of relocating, and I'm over the road, so just want to work on building my business credit for now. What do I do? For example, choosing the website right now if I'm still deciding on which business that I want to be, that will be best to start first. Okay. That is an amazing question. That's a beautiful question. Okay, basically, you want to focus on the business credit, but you don't know what business that you want to do. So I'm going to say it like this. You just got to take the time. You got to take the steps. And the steps is like this. You can't build business credit without a business. So this is going to be a pretty simple one. It's like, look at it this way. You got all the tools that you need to go to the next step. So you got step 2 right there waiting on you. It will be there waiting on you. Do not rush it. Do not rush it. It is fine. You can definitely make sure that you got everything done correctly when you get to that step. But first, you got to choose the business. Like my man said, put the weed in the bag, then get money. You know what I'm saying? Like that was on one of my favorite, a good movie, State Property. No, Belly. It was on Belly. But the point is like this. Coming up with an idea, a lot of people might say, well, what is this or what is that? It's nothing to judge. Coming up with an idea, sometimes you get stuck. Like I'm on my 3rd business, going on my 4th business. And I already know what's my 4th business going to be. But a lot of the time, finding out that first one is always going to be the hardest. Then everything else kind of is going to birth itself from that one. So, number 1, figure out what's going to be the money maker. Which business is going to be the money maker? Which one are you going to like doing? Which business is going to be the money maker? And which business is going to be the money maker? I know you probably like, don't be crazy, but for real, you definitely want to be able to make some type of profit, whatever business that you choose to do, because you don't want to have to keep on taking your trucking money to afford this business. Or why not set up your trucking business? Either way it go, you're not going to be able to get your logo. You're not going to be able to get your website, because you need your logo for your website. You need to get all that needs to go under your business name. And that's where it starts at. You need to select the name and the industry. So when you do that, you're good to go. You're going to be able to move to your next step. But if you don't choose that, what's going to happen is it's just going to by the time you get to the first step, even if you can weed your way through that first step, you're going to be frustrated, because everybody going to keep asking, what's your business name? What industry? What's your business name? What industry? And then how you going to make a logo for an industry that you don't know yet? So don't rush it. Step 1, breathe, take your time, and everything will come to you naturally. Just keep on doing what you're doing. Keep on driving how you driving, and keep on pushing how you pushing. I hope that was the answer to your question. If not, shoot me another one, and I will definitely redirect and do it over again for you. But for the most part, take your time, be easy, get it done. You already know I'm rooting for you, and so is everybody over at YBE TV. You already know this your boy Tunchi, and if you don't want to end up in a box, think outside of it.
It don't take a killer to kill or a driller to drill. See, just being yourself is the definition of real.